looks pretty nice. Okay, so then what we're going to do, it's pretty close. There's going to be maybe some little bending. I'm going to make this last piece a little long so that I can trim it back, and my pliers are right there. I'm just going to make that a little long to see how we did. So this goes in there like this. That goes in there like that. Okay, let's put, I got little spacers that I used to temporarily hold the carb in before we put the air cleaner back on. Just hold that in its place, and it actually doesn't look too shabby. Okay, so now that that little piece of linkage is in there, I can actually just hand tighten. So, alright, so we're all the way back. Butterfly's back. All the way open. Oh, that actually, we're still nice and horizontal there within reason. I am going to bend that down a little bit though. This post is wanting to go, so I'm going to bend that out a hair. Okay. So I want to bend that out. This way, I think. Yeah. Did that do it? Yeah, that sure did. Okay, so not too bad. So that's not touching. That's staying all nice and horizontal enough. It ain't coming out. I'm actually going to leave that little post there, because it is not hitting on the spring at all. Grab a number 10, give her a little twirly gig, nice snug, voila. So there, using all the existing parts with a clean carb, governor deleted, a few bucks worth of bolts, and a new gasket cover, this little bad boy is going to start up. Oh, okay, so now check this out. Here's where, see where the butterfly is not going back? That spring's not getting it enough. So, loosen that little guy up. That is not, okay, so we're not, no, I'm not. Gonna get one more. Yeah, now it's got more of that. See that bend? Okay, so let me loosen this up a hair, just to have it a little loose. Oop. And then grab that, bend it a little more. Let's get it even a little more than that. Let's see how that is. That. Let's see if we can get that. I'm gonna get that just a little. See that? Look at that. There we go. Just a little tweaking, and that's just the general shape. Who knows? Doesn't have to be perfect, but that's pretty cool. All right, guys. hope this helps again, and you know, have fun. I know I do. Bringing these pieces of junk back together, back to life, is definitely pretty enjoyable for me. Appreciate it. Subscribe. We'll talk to y'all. See you.